Hi guys, we received this ceiling light with lamp for repair purposes. So let's take everything out of the box. Here is one of the base plates. Just to hang it up on the ceiling. Oh. This is the main unit. In here we've got the LEDs, the base plate, and the ceiling fixture. It comes with everything you need to install it. So let's go ahead and install it. I'm going to install it here in our roof. So, a second. And here we've got the remote control and the receiver. Okay, so let's go in and install it. Okay, so now it's ready. It's already installed. It works perfectly. And here I've got the controller. You can change the brightness of the light. It's dimmable. And you can actually change the color. You can set it that it goes on front wheel or rear with this button. As you can see, if we press it, it will change directions. It's really potent. There is on the number 1. Let's put it on number 6. It's really strong. And it's actually really silent. Like there I can turn off the light, but I want to turn everything off. Just one click, and it's off. So it's really nice. As you can see, really easy to install. The materials are very high quality, which is really nice. I would recommend it. See ya.